Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to see that in Mac, when you start OBS and add the display capture like this, you have black screen. Let me show it. When you add a new display from here, and when you say OK, then it will not showing anything or any option to select your screen. So the first thing you wanna check is that you have to go to your system preferences and go to your system privacy. Go to privacy tab and look for screen recording, and if you have unticked this, then just tick it and just quit now. Okay, close this and just okay, so we already done that, so like this. So just open OBS, and as you can see, when you just give this tick OK in system preferences privacy tab, it will automatically start to record your screen. So thank you for watching guys. Like, share and subscribe.